Hello, welcome to That's Easy channel. I've got another tutorial video for you, but before we dive into it, please make sure to subscribe so you won't miss any new tutorials and you'll help the channel grow. Thank you. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add multiple time zone clocks in Windows 10. To do that, press Windows button and go to Settings. Then go to Time and Language. In this window, go to the right and click on Add Clocks for different time zones. Now another window will appear. There you got to activate the clock, choose the time zone, and enter the names you want displayed. So we added 2. Now we got to click on Apply. Now as you can see, the clocks you just defined are being displayed with the main clock. You just have to hover over it to see other clocks. Now there's one more thing I'd like to show you. Go to Windows search bar and type clock. As you can see, there's this world map when you can add different clocks simply by adding a new location, and it will display the specific time on the map. What you can also do is pin them to start, just right. Click on the and choose this option. They'll be presented right here. So this is it. Make sure to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you next time.